Hi! In front of me is OnePlus Nord 3 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock. You need to begin by opening devices settings and scrolling all the way down to access password and security. Now tap on Face section. Click on Agree in Statement of Use pop-up and enter your current login method. Now select Continue, keep your face in frame and follow all of the instructions from your screen. Then tap on Done. Manage all of those options however you wish though, and when you're ready, tap on Home button. So finally, when I switch off my screen, then turn it back on, I can see that Face Unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!